I remember in recent time we looked at Aptos and wondering what the future would hold. Then we looked at blockchains in the context of the innovations and thought this is the future. Today in the video we will talk about Celestia, how this blockchain is more interesting than others and where its future lies. And there is a lot to understand. We are in a period when new blockchains that come to market have to be cooler than the rival. Each should have some kind of feature that will differentiate them. But for the most part, that feature has something to do with the scalability decisions of Ethereum's flagship. Nightshade sharding by Near, the video about which is coming out soon, Aptos swear they were all about the same thing and similar approaches to fulfilling their goal. After all, the bottom line is that we all care about having a blockchain where transactions are fast, secure, with low fees and an interesting ecosystem. Celestia in turn brings something new to the blockchain market. It's no longer just a pass-through project, but a service that allows everyone to create their own blockchain. And as the project says on its website, it's as simple as deploying a smart contract and without any necessary costs. More specifically, it is a modular network of consensus and data. To make it easier to understand, you need to know what problem the project solves and how it solves it. I will try to tell you about it without getting too involved in the technical part. You have to understand that there is no ideal solution yet that will allow you to put all users on the same network and ensure normal, stable, fast operation. As practice has shown, this entails low bandwidth and difficult scalability. Layer 2 blockchains solve part of this problem, but this concept envisages that the blockchain itself has to carry everything. With this in mind, a new architecture has emerged: modular blockchains. By making the blockchain modular and dividing its processes into several specialized layers, it is possible to create a better system that is independent, scalable, and secure. The idea behind a modular blockchain is that it can specialize in a new functions instead of trying to do everything. A more scalable and customizable system can be created by combining several specialized blockchains. In terms of transactions in a monolithic world, let's say old blockchain formats, all applications live in a single chain. The disadvantage is that users of different applications have to fight to process their transactions. In the modular paradigm, applications exist in separate chains. This means that the user of one application does not compete with the users of another applications to compute. Thus, transactions for many different applications can be processed simultaneously. At the same time, a modular system is not inferior to monolithic blockchains in terms of security and decentralization. I found an even simpler description on the website. Celestia for decentralized applications is the same as cloud computing for a traditional network. So now, anyone can run their own network using Celestia's consensus algorithm. I think we have got the technical part down, but a few words about the people who invested in the project. Back in 2021, Celestia closed an initial fundraising of $1.5 million from the Interchain Foundation, Binance Labs, and others. And last year it raised another $55 billion investment from Polychain Capital, Galaxy, Spartan Group, and others equally well known. You can meet the team on the website, but let's not focus on that because that's not why you are watching this video. I know that you are interested in the activities you can do and how you can earn money here. That's what we are get to. But to be fair, I should mention that the team is strong. The project is now at the Testnet and DevNet stage, Arabica and Mocha. But the Testnet is no guarantee of the reward. it is more likely that those who install nodes will get at least some reward. In the next video I will introduce you to the concept of the node, and you can use the project's instructions to install it, keep track of updates, and possibly get tokens to drop. This is a short overview of the new blockchain, not an installation instruction, so I will not burden you with technical information. The project is still in the test phase. No community activities has taken place yet, but I'm sure there will be some when it comes to token and marketing. But don't miss the opportunity to be involved in the beginning. That's important too. It's probably won't work to mention the ecosystem when a project is in a test phase, but that doesn't stop Celestia from creating and launching a blockchain-based startup scholarship program. Developers were chosen first, and as a result, 10 teams have been assembled and are working on building the apps. These guys may already include the future creators of billion-dollar projects who were the first to create apps on a modular blockchain. This video is designed to give you an idea of exactly which project to keep an eye on. The opportunities are already there. Nodes, activities, and soon I think there will be activities for the community. Then there will be a sale, which nobody is talking about, but it is a logical continuation of development. There are some very interesting earning opportunities waiting for us, and in order not to miss it, subscribe to the project's Twitter feed, join the Discord, and subscribe to the Bounty Chain channel. We will follow it together.